بنگلور کے کورمنگلا میں نیشنل گیمز ولیج 17 اکتوبر کو شروع ہونے والے 13ویں ایشین نیٹ بال چیمپیئن شپ کے میچز شدید صبح کی بارشوں کی وجہ سے مؤخر کر دیے گئے۔ اگرچہ پانی کو 2 گھنٹوں کے اندر صاف کر دیا گیا، نیٹ بال فیڈریشن کے انتظامی سکریٹری گیرش نے میچز کی دوبارہ شیڈولنگ کی مشکلات پر بات کی اور خاص طور پر انٹرنیشنل کھلاڑیوں کے لیے پیدا ہونے والے ہنگامے پر افسوس کا اظہار کیا۔ انہوں نے یہ بھی کہا کہ حکومت کو مانسون کے موسم کے دوران ایسی صورتحال سے بچنے کے لیے احتیاطی اقدامات کرنے چاہیے۔
Moreover, I want to inform you that we are organizing 13th Asian Netball Championship, which was inaugurated on 17th of this month, where today morning there was more water flow into this stadium. For the outside 4 corners, the water was filled with 4 feet, where because of heavy rain. But we have to appreciate our Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, where they have kept 4 motors and the water was flowed out for 2 hours. But we are unable to schedule the match. Same schedule has been not done because the first match was between Chinese Taipei as well as the Iraq team, where they were not able to play. We have to reschedule this match, and as well as the second match. Now we will be continuing the matches from 1 o'clock. This was the issue happened only because of the heavy rain and overflow of water inside to the stadium arena. But the major thing is it has not affected the court inside the indoor stadium. We request to the government, this is a request from all the sports person, you can say, that whenever is the monsoon is there, should take little bit precautions, because Bangalore is a city where it is known to everyone in the world, and if anybody is roaming around Bangalore, it should not get some negative impact to the Bangalore name. So if you take some precautionary measures, it will be cleared. I believe that the government will take a precautionary measures at least from next time, because as I can say that 14 countries are participating. If they come around, not only this matches, they will be coming around the buses. If they see the places, they might think that the negativity will be going on Bangalore. Everyone, because when I spoke to the country's coaches and managers, they were very happy about Bangalore for 4 days. But this one small incident can change the mindset of the other countries.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Your full name and designation.
Myself, Girish. I'm the General Secretary of Amateur Netball Association of Karnataka and Vice President Netball Federation.